Let's get to some trader talk now with Nick Santiago, CEO of In the Money Stocks. Nick, traders love a very active market and to get quickly in and out of trades. But what about longer term trades? What are you looking for as a buy?
So what I look for, Ange, is I look for definitive bottoms, and I look for also if the longer, bigger time frame pattern is telling me that there's a more sustainable run in the market. And I'll give you a great example of this. In September, I bought silver at the low. And I didn't only just purchase, the ETFs and the trading products, but I actually purchased physical silver. And the reason why was because I feel like if you look at a bigger long-term chart, that is putting in a definitive bottom where that run can last for potentially 3-4 years. And that's something that I look for basically by going to the larger time frames. I just don't isolate, a daily chart. I go back and I look at, say, a weekly, a monthly, even a quarterly or a yearly chart, and I'll find out, wow, this is really where this equity or this particular commodity, in this case, will get defended. And that's something I look for very, very often. I've done that throughout my career, and you can stay in a position like that for really, really long runs and ultimately make a lot of money if you're correct.
The market is moving lately on news about jobs, inflation, and Fed talk. Are you finding there are days when you just have to take your hand off of the mouse and slow the pace of your trading?
Yeah, sometimes you need to do that. As traders and shorter term traders, what we do look for though is when you get say you get volatility spiking, that's generally a signal that the market is probably due for a bounce, so you'll take a shot there. But there are times when, right now, in fact, I'm not in a whole lot of positions just because of the fact that this has gotten to be where day by day, it's almost chaotic action, right? You don't know what you're going to get. You don't know if you're going to get a Fed speaker say something to jawbone the market up or jawbone the market down. You don't know what each individual report is going to come out and cause some type of whipsaw in the market. So yeah, a time like this, you definitely pull back the reins a little bit, but there are always opportunities out there. If you really, really look through the charts and you really look for those patterns, they're still out there. They still exist. But the moves may not, always play out to fruition the way you wish they would, or they would have in the past. So in this case, you definitely go a little bit lighter on the share size. You definitely cut down your positions as well.
Great trader talk. Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.